Welcome to homework.
This is the answer to chapter 23, problem number 41 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. This problem asks us to explain why the alpha protons of an ester are less acidic than the alpha protons of a ketone by about 5 pKa units. And so in order to do this, we need to look at the conjugate bases and look at the resonance structures for each of these conjugate bases. So for the ester here, we would be talking about deprotonating this carbon, since this is the alpha carbon. So our first structure would look like this. So we would have a lone pair here and negative charge. Okay, and then we can draw a resonance structure that's going to look like this. Okay, and then we have another resonance structure that would look like this. So you can see in two of these resonance structures, we're keeping the lone pair and the negative charge on this carbon. And so that's not going to be particularly stable. And it's actually going to destabilize the resonance hybrid. And since the conjugate base is less stable, that's going to make for a weaker acid. Hopefully, everybody remembers that relationship from earlier chapters. The weaker conjugate base, or pardon me, the less stable conjugate base, the weaker the acid. Okay, and so if we look at the exact same thing with a comparable ketone, so when we deprotonate the alpha carbon, we get this structure. So our lone pair and negative charge are here. And the only resonance structure that we're able to draw is this one. Okay, and so in this one, we are delocalizing that negative charge onto this electronegative oxygen atom. And so that's good. That's a more stable resonance structure. And this is the only resonance structure that we can draw. And so this structure is going to contribute significantly to the resonance hybrid. And so since we have a more stable conjugate base here for the ketone, that in turn is going to mean a stronger acid. And so that's why the alpha protons of a ketone are more acidic than the alpha protons of an ester. And that's the answer to chapter 23, problem number 41.